Welcome students. Today we will discuss some of the applications of trigonometry. Today we will start new lesson, some applications of trigonometry. Already we know that trigonometry is one of the most ancient subject studied by scholars all over the world. It was invented because its needs arose in astronomy, since when astronomers have used it, for instance, to calculate the distance from the Earth to the planets and stars. Trigonometry is also used in geography and in navigation. The knowledge of trigonometry is used to construct maps, determine the position of an island in relation to the longitudes and latitudes. In this chapter, we will see how trigonometry is used for finding the heights and the distances of various objects without actually measuring them. Let us know some of the definitions before starting our chapter. We have to know some of the terms which are related to applications of trigonometry. One is nothing but line of sight, horizontal level, then angle of elevation, then angle of depression. What is line of sight? See, in this figure, here the observer is there. Here he is the observer. He is watching the top of the tower. Let us see what is the line of sight. The line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point of an object viewed by the observer. So this tower is nothing but the top of the tower, or the tower is the object, and the observer, when he observes something, the line which is the straight line from the observer eye to the point of an object. So the line of sight is the line drawn from eye of an observer. It is the line drawn from eye of an observer to the point of an object viewed by an observer. That line is called line of sight. So the line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by an observer. What is horizontal level? In this figure, the observer is viewing the tower horizontally to the ground. It is called horizontal level. Definition says that the line of sight when the position is looking at a point in an object is called horizontal level. So it is the line of sight when the person he is looking at a point of an object is called horizontal level. This horizontal level definitely which is parallel to the ground, and horizontal level is always parallel to the ground. What is angle of elevation? So see, the person is watching the tree, is observing the tree. So this is the line of sight, and this is the horizontal line. This line is called horizontal line or horizontal level. Angle of elevation. This is the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation means the observer eyes moves to the top or elevated to the top. It is the angle between a horizontal line from the observer. Generally it is the horizontal line. It is the angle between a horizontal line from an observer and the line of sight. So line of sight means the observer is observing the top of the tree. So this is called angle of elevation. It is the angle between the horizontal line from an observer and the line of sight of an object which is above the horizontal line. It's called angle of elevation. So generally angle of elevation which is above the horizontal line is called angle of elevation. Then what is angle of depression? See, this is the building. On this building, a person who is observing the objects which are on the ground. How this observer observes the object on the ground. See, the person is observing the foot of the tree. This is called line of sight. What is the horizontal line? Generally he was to observe in front, he was to observe the object, but he makes his eyes down and he was watching foot of the tree. So this is called angle of depression. So this angle of depression is nothing but it is the depression from the horizontal level. It is the depression angle from the horizontal level. So definition says that it is the angle between horizontal line from the observer. It is the depression between horizontal line from an observer and the line of sight of an object which is below the horizontal line. So that is below the horizontal line. It's called angle of depression. So it is the angle between the horizontal line of an observer and the line of sight of an object which is below the horizontal line. It's called angle of depression.